why it feels very communicative. You can't hear the engine at the back. It sounds very intoxicating. And the turbo. Hey guys, here we have the Lotus Emira, and today we are going to be doing a POV drive. But before we do that, let's go ahead and do a quick walk around of the exterior. We can see it has that Lotus sports car look to it. It looks very exotic. I love the proportions. That's the rear of the car. Have that large vent right there. The engine is also at the back. This is a mid-engine sports car. To open it, push that. It's climbed inside. So this is the key for the Emira. You have your lock, unlock, and your engine bay or trunk release. It has the Lotus logo at the back. You have nice materials going throughout the key fob. You have for the drivers on the side. And to put it in gear, just have your foot on the brake. Flick it once for, or twice for drive.
The car is still in braking mode, so up to 4,000 RPM.
Right.
Braking is 1,600 kilometers. You want manual mode?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. There. This is the 2-liter turbo.
Oh, okay.
This is the AMG engine.
Yeah, okay.
So this just arrived 2 weeks ago, so we decided to use this instead of the V6.
So that's why it's still in break-in mode. Yeah. And you can't hear the engine at the back. It sounds very intoxicating. And the turbo. The steering wheel feels nice to the touch. It's very thick and heavily bolstered. Woo. It's very fast. It feels light, and the steering is nicely weighted.
Hydraulic power steering.
Oh, it has hydraulic power steering. Okay, that's why it feels very communicative too. Love the driving position of this car. If you sit low to the ground, but you still get a great view of your surroundings, except for the rear view because the window is quite small. Hear the turbos from the inside. So this one has just released here in our market, and it's exclusively paired with this DCT 8-speed DCT. 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo. For the interior part, you do get a digital driver's display. Is this customizable or it's just that regular
It
view?
depends on the
Driving mode.
So, sport,
Right.
tour,
Okay.
sport, track.
You have the RPMs at up top, 7,000 red line. You have a touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I believe.
Yes.
And this is your climate control, single zone automatic. You also have your track features right here with your lap timer and tire pressure, trip statistics. You also have physical knobs here down below, 2 vents, and yeah, overall the build quality feels nice. Okay, this is the first edition, by the way. Practicality, you have 2 cup holders and a small center console. It's very small. But yeah, that's the Lotus Emira. You have to be in park.
Then e-brake on your left knee. Pull.
Okay. There you go. Now, being a Lotus, you have this fixed side door sill right here. Okay guys, that was a POV drive of the Lotus Emira. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.